My name is Sakur Shipire. I'm actually the director of the Department of Projects and Studies of Kilimani City. I'll say that Kilimani City is actually a city located in Zambezia province in Mozambique, and is right at the center of the country, and is a city port like in Mozambique. Well, why Bulawayo? Well, we chose Bulawayo because we are really captivated by the opportunities that Bulawayo offers, and both of the cities are actually part of the Youth Climate Fund project. That's where the two cities currently have received about $50,000 to implement a project related to the youth in each of the cities. Well, we chose Bulawayo so that we can work together, because the main idea is to work together and bring successful results in this initial phase. Because Bloomberg Philanthropies, we are very, very thankful for these organizations that have been very actively supporting different African cities. We chose Bulawayo because we want to successfully implement this initial phase of the project with these 50,000, so that we can have an opportunity to receive additional $100,000, which will be invested after we implement successfully this phase. That's the reason why we chose Bulawayo, so that we can work together now and in the future as well, so that we can benefit from this opportunity, and the future opportunity, which I've already referred, is the $100,000, which is going to actively benefit our youth in Bulawayo and in Kilimani City. Also, we chose Bulawayo. We are very, very amazed by the opportunities that Bulawayo offers. When we were coming through our way from Chimoio, Mozambique, to Bulawayo, we are very, very excited about the type of infrastructures, mainly the roads in Bulawayo. Even when we arrived there, we asked that, how do you guys manage to have such a higher quality road infrastructures? Most of them say that it's through partnership. So that's actually an inspiration for us as a municipality, so that we can, on our side, we've actually learned we want to partner with a number of organizations, nationally and international, that deals on the road component, so that we can have higher quality roads like as Bulawayo. And that's all. Thank you.